In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about how to pick an email service provider. I'm going to give you a resource that should be your go-to. It's a trusted resource, and I'm going to give you my recommendation on how you should pick your email service provider to help you cut down the search for a trusted source for email marketing. I want you to go to the dashboard within this particular tutorial, and there I have given you a link to a review of the top 6 email marketing services. So it's broken down by features, cost, how they work, do you need more tools to accomplish the goal, and the support. So it really gives an overview of the top 6 email service providers. And here's the thing, when you're starting to work with a client, more than likely they're already going to be with an email service provider. Here we see the top 6, and I've highlighted 3 as of right now. These tutorials are in the Tech Lab dashboard. But what I want you to do is to arm yourself with information about all 6. So if you're on a call with a potential client, then you can speak to these 6 email service providers. Now, I don't want you to become overwhelmed because there are a number of email service providers out there, and you don't have to know all of them. You're going to find that your clients are going to be in a niche. They're probably either going to have ConvertKit. A lot of people are transferring out of MailChimp to another service provider. I found more that are going to be with ConvertKit or with ActiveCampaign. So those are the top email service providers that I recommend you go to this piece, read it, and be able to speak to the pros and cons of each of these email service providers. So my recommendations for your business is to, number 1, we're starting an email list. Email is the cornerstone of your business. When I'm thinking about features, cost, how it works, do you need more tools and support, and where you are right now in your email marketing journey, my recommendation is that you start with MailerLite. And we do have a MailerLite tutorial in the Tech Lab. It is easy to set up, and it is easy to get started, and it is free up to 1,000 subscribers. And you want to double check the number of emails that you're going to be emailing during the month as well. That goes into that free account. And here's the thing, it accomplishes the goal of getting started with building an email list. You may not be thinking about it now, but your business is going to change 3 months, 6 months, 12 months from now, and you will thank me that you have started building your email list. Now, we've also provided for you in Marketing Magic, there's the Client Attraction Starter Kit. We've given you the template, we've given you the landing page copy, and we have given you the email sequence copy. So all you need to do in order to get started building your list, number 1, get set up with MailerLite. Number 2, go to Marketing Magic and get started with the Client Attraction Starter Kit. I also wanted to give you an option of ConvertKit. It is easy to set up and it is easy to get started with, but it costs. So I recommend we start with MailerLite. And if MailerLite works for you, you're comfortable as your business grows, meaning as your email subscribers grow, stay with it. Because MailerLite, when you look at the cost, is not that expensive. And if it is accomplishing your goal, you know what I say, pick a tool, learn a tool, you're not missing out. I did want to give you the next step, or my next recommendation would be ConvertKit. And when you're looking at between 1,000 to 3,000 subscribers, it's going to be $49 a month. So you see why this needs to be running in the background, but we can use a free tool like MailerLite to get started, to get in the rhythm of emailing your subscribers, get in the process of pinning pins to direct traffic to the opt-in, so then you have someone to communicate with. It's all about taking baby steps. It's all about taking imperfect action. But start with MailerLite, stay with MailerLite if it's working for you and your business as you continue to grow. But the next step, or my second recommendation, would be ConvertKit.